Hi. Can you roll your window down for me?
Hi.
All the way?
I can hear you.
Huh?
I can hear you.
Okay, can you roll your window down for me, please?
Sure.
All the way.
I'm okay, thank you. Can you identify yourself?
I'm a Sacramento police officer. Can I have your driver's license?
Are you detaining me?
We're doing a DUI checkpoint, so can I
Am
have
I
your
free to
driver's
go?
license, please? Vance, come here, please. We have an uncooperative subject here.
How you doing, sir?
Hello, how are you?
Great, how are you?
Good.
And you're being videotaped, too.
Yes.
I was just asking her if I was being detained, and am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go, actually. This
Okay.
is a driver's license and DUI checkpoint.
So you're detaining me?
Yes, you are being
You have
detained.
probable cause to detain me?
There's Supreme Court law that states that once you come through a driver's license and DUI checkpoint, that
Yes.
we can check your license and your sobriety level.
Okay.
Okay, rather than holding up the line, sir,
Yeah.
if you don't mind, will you go up to the stop sign and you'll make a left, and then we can talk about it at that point because you're holding up the rest of the line here.
That's okay.
You want me to white tag it?
No, you could just go up to the light
I'd
here.
like to travel, please.
Okay.
May I travel?
No, you may not.
So you're detaining me?
Yes.
And you have probable cause?
I didn't say I had probable cause. I'm saying this is a driver's license
I'll
and
cooperate
DUI
with you.
checkpoint.
I have no problem cooperating
okay,
with
if
you.
you cooperate, please at the yellow light.
Would you like to read this?
Make a left. I will read it
Okay.
once we stop holding up the rest of the traffic.
So go this way, go left?
Yep, you'll make a left, and then just stop there on the left. I'll meet you right on the on
And what was
the,
your name
that
again?
street. Officer Chandler.
Do you have a number?
Badge number
number?
807.
All right, thank you.
I'll meet you right up there.
Are you going to radio it?
He wants me to turn in.
Huh?
He wants me to turn in.
What, for what? Did he give you a white tag?
No. He didn't give me a white tag, but
Okay, here. Have him turn around, Max. Just take a left right here. Take a left right here then.
Where does he have to go?
I don't know. Just take a left. What did he tell you to turn in for?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay, sir, I'm willing to read what you want me to read.
Here you go.
You want me to call Prince over? He's right over there.
Yeah, you can. Okay, so you don't want to answer any questions right now, correct? Right now, you're actually not under arrest. And
Okay,
I'm not
cool.
interrogating you about what you're being arrested for.
Sure.
All I'm asking is to see your driver's license.
Yeah, I'd like to travel. You have no probable cause. I don't really feel like I feel like you're invading my rights. So
Okay, it's a driver's license and DUI checkpoint.
right. I'm traveling down the road. You have no probable cause. Have I committed a crime?
Have you committed a crime?
I'm asking you. Have I committed a crime?
I don't know if you've committed a crime.
Right. So you have no reason to ask me for an ID because you.
No, I do. It's a driver's license and DUI checkpoint.
That doesn't require me to show you an ID. You have to have probable cause and you have to detain me.
Okay, we have the right at a driver's license and DUI checkpoint to identify you as a licensed driver.
I don't want to answer any more questions. I don't want to incriminate myself.
Okay, I'll bring my sergeant over here and he'll be happy to explain the code to you. But you're not under arrest right now, and I'm not interrogating you over what you're being arrested for.
Cool. Thanks.
Sure, you're going to end up getting arrested. Roll the window down.
Couldn't hear you. What's that?
You're going to end up getting arrested. Let's keep that from happening.
I don't even know why you guys stopped me.
You're required to identify yourself to the officers.
I don't want to answer any questions, sir. I asked if I was being detained and what the probable cause was and if I was free to go.
There's your probable cause. You are detained.
Thank
need
you.
to provide your driver's license or your identification card to the officers, or you will be
May
arrested.
I read this?
Absolutely, you can have that.
Cool,
I brought
thanks.
that specifically over for you.
I
That is a
appreciate
law
that.
that came into play January 1st, 2012. If you read the A section, it basically means you must submit to the DUI checkpoint. The officer's asking you for your identification, That's
Yeah, I'd like
submitted
to
the
just
checkpoint.
read this, and
You
I
can
don't
read
know
it, and you
this.
can also have, here's some case law pertaining to the legality of the DUI checkpoints
thanks.
as well.
Appreciate
Because I
that.
want you to be absolutely 100%
That's
informed
awesome.
of the reason why we're here and why we have the authority to do these things. Got it?
Yeah, I do. Thank you.
If you have questions, I'm going to stand right here and answer whatever you have.
Thank you for your help. I appreciate
Absolutely. Do you have at least a first name you'll give me at this point so I know who I'm talking to?
that. Yeah, I don't answer questions. Thank you.
Okay, excellent.
So if I don't give you my ID in violation of this law, you just want to identify me?
We're making sure you have a valid license to drive in the state of California.
Did you already run my plate?
The plate does not indicate whether or not you are a valid driver for the state of California.
Well, I'm a man,
I get that.
so my legal fiction does have a
But the state
driver's
of California
license.
requires that if you're going to drive a motor vehicle upon the public roadways, that you have a driver's license. It says you've been tested and you know the laws of the road, as well as have physically passed a driving test that shows you're competent in both following those laws and operating a motor vehicle.
Yeah, I can
That's
understand
what we're doing tonight on top of the DUI.
that. So if I don't
check.
identify myself to you, you're going to take me to jail. Is
Yes.
that what you're basically saying?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and identify myself under duress.
Okay. Absolutely fine. You have a California driver's license with you? Awesome. That's all we need to see. You have your scanner with me. Make sure that he's good to go valid, and you'll be on your way. It's a simple process. Because what
Very
we're doing,
simple.
part of what we're doing is we're taking people off the roadway, or taking that shouldn't be driving because they're suspended. They have their privilege suspended for accidents, for DUI
Yeah, I get it.
driving. The people
You're
that
also
are
invading
dangerous.
innocent people's rights.
Well, if you read the Supreme Court decision, they have found that the minor Fourth Amendment violation is far outweighed. by
Minor
the-
Fourth Amendment violation.
Absolutely. 5 minutes of your
Did
life.
you not? Did you not swear to an oath to uphold the
Okay,
Constitution
can
with
I
your
finish
job?
first before you jump in?
Sure.
Okay. This minimal violation, a few minutes that you're spent in this line, is far outweighed by the danger of the folks that we're trying to get off the roadways. So 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes in this line versus somebody that's in this line that shouldn't be driving that T-bones you half an hour later down the road. And that's why they said if
It's a
you follow
basic
these
principle.
guidelines,
It's a principle. Don't
Well-
give away your rights because they'll be all taken away someday.
well, I'm just telling you why they allow us to do this. Because
All
they
right.
think that
I,
the danger
I-
of the people on the roadway that shouldn't be far outweighs the 5, 6, 8 minutes you wait in line. And in your case, the extra 10 or 12 minutes you spent talking to us over here.
I'm okay with it.
And
This is-
as well
this
as
is,
I am.
educational
Because the
for
bottom
me.
line is, I want you to understand why we do it.
I don't understand anything about you, and I will never understand any of you guys.
Okay?
I overstand you guys.
Well, your opinion is your opinion, and your beliefs are your beliefs.
Thank you.
I get that. Obviously, we're here for a reason, because if we weren't, there'd be a lot of chaos. Not necessarily from yourself, but there's a lot of people that don't give a frog's fat fanny about maintaining any kind of civil order, and that's why cops are here. Because we're kind of like the Band-Aid for all bad things. We put a Band-Aid on it, we make it safe for people to be here and there. Are we good on the license?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I go?
Please.